In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Wix portfolio website, step by step. Whether you're showcasing your photography, design work, or business projects, having an online portfolio is key to standing out in today's digital world. So let's dive in and learn how you can create a compelling portfolio site using Wix. First, go ahead and visit Wix.com and log into your existing account. If you don't have one yet, don't worry. Creating a free account is quick and straightforward. Once you're logged in, you're going to look for the option labeled Create New Site. Click on that to get started on your journey to building a stunning portfolio. Now, you'll be prompted to select a category for your site. Choose Portfolio and CV from the options available. This ensures that the tools and templates suggested are perfectly tailored for showcasing your work. As you decide how you want to build your website, you'll encounter two main tools. First is the Wix ADI, the Artificial Intelligence Builder. This nifty tool will automatically create a site for you based on a series of questions about your preferences and needs. It's a great option if you're looking for something quick and easy. On the other hand, if you prefer to have full creative control over the look and feel of your site, the Wix editor is the tool for you. This option lets you manually design every element, which is perfect for those who love customization. After you've chosen your preferred building method, explore the range of portfolio templates available. Take your time to browse through and find one that matches your style, whether it's geared towards photography, design, or business. Once you find a design that resonates with your vision, click on Edit. This will allow you to modify the template according to your specific needs. Here's a helpful tip. As you choose your template, focus on clean, modern designs that feature large visuals. These types of layouts do a fantastic job at highlighting your work and making a strong visual impact. And there you have it. By now, you're well on your way to creating a polished and professional-looking Wix portfolio website. Remember, the key is in the details. Ensure your website is an authentic reflection of your style and expertise. With these steps, you can craft a digital presence that truly stands out. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope these instructions have been helpful.